Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. Do you often find that when you go to install an attic ladder, the rafters are too narrow, you can't get one in? That's what we dealt with on this house. This house is 1900, so it's over 100 years old. The ceiling rafters were just under what they needed to be. Stay tuned for how we fix the problem. Here is our attic hole access. We are going to put an attic ladder in, but the problem we have is the opening between the rafters is just like a little over 21 inches. And that's not going to work because the attic ladder is 22 inches. So, because this ceiling is almost 10 feet, we are going to build an adapter that's going to bolt screw to the ceiling and allow the ladder to slide in, and we could still use our attic ladder. So let's get started. So there's our first square. Now we're going to screw 2x6s to it so that way we can attach it to the ceiling. Now we just got to put the two ends on it, finish screwing it down, and then this could be hoisted up to the ceiling to screw into the ceiling. Put the ugly side of the 2x6s that are going to touch the ceiling, put the better sides facing down. Okay. I want to go slide against the wall there. It is. Hold on. I prefer, hold on. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, go ahead and do that side.
Yeah.
I can do this side.
Yeah.
There we go.
Now you look at it.
Yeah, I think it looks
I
good.
like it. We're setting on a ladder for now.
Tell me when you're ready.
And we get the gun again. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, just balance it now.
Okay, so
I can start one here. Okay, up a little more. You want the
yeah, go ahead.
hold over?
Hold on. Right there.
Okay, you come around.
About heavy to go.
Not so. Okay.
There we go.
I like it.
Okay. There we go.
That's good.
Yeah, well, we'll have to get inside and screw it in from the inside. And it's just fun. Now, just like that. Okay, so now we just need the shorter screws. And now you can come in from this side.
So where's our 4 inches?
I'll show you.
Oh, okay. Well, you know.
There we go. How's it feel? Is it pretty comfortable?
Yeah. Well,
Looks real rigid.
yeah.
So we cut the legs down, and then these little feet just bolt on there, and it works perfectly. I like how thick the door is. I've never seen one with a thick door like that. I think that's designed for a cold wet, for more of a, because yeah, it's got a rubber gasket. It's designed to keep the heat and cold out of your house. Well, thank you guys for sticking with us. It was a little heavy trying to lift that thing over our heads, but we got it. But thank you for following along. And if this doesn't work for you, then you could do it the other way where it slides in between the rafters. Then of course it is a lot better and it's a lot easier. But this is just another option that we did for our customer because these ceilings are 10 foot. So, once we prime it and paint it and caulk it all in, it'll look a whole lot better than it does now. But at least the customer can get up in the attic and finish all his electrical. But anyways, thanks for watching, and until I see you guys again, stay out of trouble. Hold on, I gotta finish cleaning up and loading my van. It's been a long day. Anyways, out.